just before reaching Nongstoin, you must have seen the beautiful rolling hills. So this is where we are, and from a tourism point of view, we feel that this has to be really promoted. So we will be working towards promoting this, and I urge tourists from all over, please come and experience this, see this beautiful place, and enjoy this beautiful place. Thank you so much. So we have empaneled architects. These are professionals, but we are allowing people to use them. You don't have to pay. We are paying them. But to design your cottage, or design the footpath here, or design the small coffee shop restaurant here, you can use their services for free. We have empaneled them. We are paying them. They empaneled by tourism department, but at the service of the public. So you use them. You take advantage of that.
We will not work
Yes,
together with
you work on that and then get the design. So because simple designs, but simple things can make a huge difference. So just try to do that also. So a bit of professionalism we can add, and obviously tradition, and make it a very specific experience.
even now, so they are booking, they will come.
Wow, great.
Yes, they said that they like the location.
Yeah, there's water.
Yeah.
So now what they need is activity. You see, you have to do some activity.
Yes, like
Where-
boating and all.
Boating also, even breakfast in the morning. Suppose you put up a small table there.
Yes.
You see, just a table chair of having coffee in the morning there, or evening tea. Like if you put a table chair here
Yes.
and say, sir, there's a evening tea. I would love to just sit here and have tea.
Next time, sir.
Yeah, next time definitely. I'll come with family
Okay, sir.
and we'll book.
Yeah.
So your area is which one? All the way to there?
No, sir. Right from that homestay, and then this area.
This also?
Yes, and then at the back side.
Good. Okay. Good. Yes. Good. What's the taste for it? Huh? So if I say Pampurna, people will know, no? Huh? This side Pampurna. Lake, didn't know this.